Hello everyone, this is Melissa from Sunshine Packing Way. Welcome to follow my video collection. Melissa talk about cake box. At the last video, we have one collection about the cupcake box with different sizes and the printing and the scallop lid. So this video's selection, we will talk about more cupcake box style. As we can see here, this is some very normal but with very happy special feeling about the boxes. As you can see for this one, very easy compare. We can have the handle, and this one is very good. You have the cupcakes, the shape, and the two ways. This is really cute. I think for the wedding or the birthday, for the gift is really beautiful. And then this one, you see, this is the transparent one. And you see inside is the gold color inside, which is really, really attractive and beautiful. For this one, we see the material is the craft paper, which makes the cupcake box looks really natural, and some your customers really like this pattern color. And also for this one, we also have the handle and with marble printing. That's the marble collection, no matter for marble cake board or marble cake box or cupcake box. For this pattern, marble is really popular for those 2 years. I think our customer is really like this marble, which looks like elegant and also very easy to use because inside is like inside cook, and will be very easy to unfold. For this one, we see this is also with the transparent box. Really, you can see very clearly inside the cupcakes. Like this one, you can see inside the case, which makes the cupcakes really like delicious. For this one, also have the handle too. And this one, you see, it's like a gift box. You have printing here, and also you have the transparent lid. When you open it, you will also have a handle, you can see. Yeah, you just need to like hold the handle, and the whole cupcakes will come out. It's very useful and very easy to use. So this one, no matter for the cupcakes or some desserts, or even you can take the inside out and you can make poke case in, and it's also very, very also useful too for this one. And also, we also have some customer are looking for like the cupcake box with the corrugated board material, and this is really strong. And outside with the natural white color, inside also with the natural craft paper. And for the cupcake box with the corrugated board, it's become more and more popular in this year. So as you can see, the cupcake box also have more handle, which is easy for everyone, for the customer to take out home or take to any occasions. So like this one, we just put the case in. Yeah, it's very easy. You just need to put this in, and then you just fold. Do not touch the case. Oh, you just. Okay, so maybe you just need to add the ribbon there, and then you just need to add a ribbon, and maybe you'll be like a very beautiful cake. So this will be a really, really beautiful cupcake box, and inside the cupcakes is also attractive. And so we can see those really, really a big range of cupcake box together with the last collection with different one. As we can see, I think all the cupcake box you wanted, you can find in Sunshine, and I truly welcome you to inquire with us, and maybe you can send more ideas like I like new one. We also can make your idea to come true. So follow with Melissa, we will discover more cupcake boxes, and I am sure one you will like it. So this collection, this video, let's come here. Thank you for following with me. This is Melissa from Sunshine Packing Way. Happy on the way.